Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video and also showing you some new products that I purchased. So let's get started. So recently I purchased from My Creative Time this giant ginger girl, or girl ginger. And then I also picked up the giant ginger. So we got that one. And then I picked up the giant girl ginger accessories, which has a dress, a crown, a wand, coffee cup, purse, some extra little hearts. And I think this is like a mirror, maybe. So I want to show you the cards that I made with the giant girl ginger. So on these two cards that I'm going to share with you, I used on one card the Essential Celebrations by Waffle Flower. These are so awesome. I love using these. They have a coordinating die that you can also purchase. And then I used my Pink Fresh Studio, this basic banner, Celebrate. This has 12 individual sentiments that you stamp all together. This is one big giant stamp. And then 12 dies that are one die. So once you run this, stamp it out and run it through your die cutting machine, you'll have 12 individual sentiments ready to go. So let's look at these cute little cards. So the first one is the little ginger with her little bun at the top, and I also added a little bow, and I used the Waffle Flower sentiment here, hooray. She has gold little buttons, and then her little polka dot dress. This is an embossing folder in my stash. I don't know where I purchased it from. And then the paper that I used is by Basil. And you can purchase it at Joann. But I think she turned out super cute. And so her little face is part of the die set. I don't think I shared it with you, but in the giant ginger, you get this, the little smiley faces stamp set. And then in the giant girl ginger, you get more of like she's singing with her eyes closed like that. And what I really liked about when you stamp these out, this one in particular, it left circles or blank places where you can put the white for her eyes exactly right. So I really appreciated that. So she is simply adorable. Now the second card, this ginger is a little bit sassy. She kind of went against the norm of the ginger hair, and I wanted to go with this red adorable hair and with her little buns on the side. I kind of got this idea from Suzanne over at Creative Muse here on YouTube. She said that this reminded her of Princess Leia. But I think if I put them down just a little bit further, that would even be better. But I think she is adorable here with the Pink Fresh Studio sentiment, Get Ready to Party. She has a purse here. These are super simple to put together. I think the purse is the, if you can call it, you know, difficult or a little bit more challenging because it's 4 pieces for the little purse, but it's not that bad at all. And she is just smiling and looking adorable with her little polka dot dress and the little gold buttons. Now this paper choice that I used, I'm not sure about the color. It was kind of late, and I think I just looked at her hair and thought how cute it would be with her hair, but it just kind of not the best with her dress. But she is so adorable, I don't think it really matters. So let me know what you think before. Did you purchase this die set, and have you used it yet? Let me know which ginger you like the best. I think the little redhead is the one for me. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.